All right. Hello, guys. So, whatever time you're watching this video, so welcome to our first discussion on the overview of health information system. Tara, kaya natin to, no? So, for our discussion, ayun. So, data has been so much valuable than gold, no? Ma'am, anong ginagawa nila sa data, no? Through Google, through Facebook, through Amazon, through YouTube, di ba? We're consuming content. This is where we buy our things now, no? Um, the these companies has changed so much, no? The more that they know people, the more that they analyze what are likes and wants, no? They are they are weaponizing itong mga social media natin to push products, no? Or to push contents na pwede nating panoorin, no? So the world's most valuable resource now is data. At kung hindi tayo sasabay, no, mahuhuli tayo. Because right now, no, a lot of diseases are happening as well, no? So kung magpo-focus tayo sa health natin, there are different injuries na akala ko hindi pinapansin, no? Like drug poisoning, suffocation, suicide, no? Unti-unting it's gaining traction, no? And this is from a data from CDC wherein binibilang, no? Isa-isa itong mga to so that the policymakers will make a way to prevent these injuries, no? So it's a growing career now, no? Becoming systems analyst, data analyst. So ako gusto ko maging researcher, no? The trend now is big data science, no? Ulitin ko, big data science, no? Sobrang rami ng data ang kailangang i-analyze, no? Ma'am, para saan, no? To improve health programs, no? To make researches out of it, no? To improve um to improve the health, no, of people. So guys, sa Pilipinas hindi naman papahuli, no? So kung sa US may CDC, no? Sa Philippines we have 1S, no? So this is our information system that measures also diseases and injuries, no? So the most common as of 2020 are transport crash, no? Mga car crashes. 15,000 Filipinos has been injured through car crashes, no? So with that knowledge, no, paano kaya i-improve ng ating LTO, ng ating mga kapulisan, no, to prevent these crashes, no? So we have bites, fall. What's fall? Nalalaglag yung mga matatanda, no? Guys, yun yung fear ko na sana hindi matumba yung mama ko, yung baba ko as they age, no? Because my grandfather and grandmother both have hip fracture. They both have metals on their hips, no? And because of that, no, my grandfather has become weak, no? Yun ang iniiwasan natin sa matatanda. So, contact with sharps, pananaksak, assault, burns, gunshot, chemical substances, no? So we try to measure it, no? Because when we don't measure it, it means it is not important, no? Parang same sa classroom, no? We check attendance, no? Kasi you are important, no? You being there is important. So what is in health information systems? This is a set of components. We have five. We have data, people, hardware, software, and processes. We have procedures, parang process rin siya, no? We have step-by-step process, no? Dapat may manual rin sa isang institution how to utilize the information that they have. What? So, and so what, no? So that this data will be generate into information. So from data to information to what? Improve healthcare management decisions at all levels, no? From medtech to barangay health worker, no, to President BBM, we want to improve healthcare decision making. We want to give magalong reports, no? Parang yung head ng HSO, tinanong niya si Magalong, Mayor Magalong, we have two Mpox cases which should be reported in our media partners, no? Sabi ni Magalong, yes, go, no? For transparencies. So, could you research, no, para sa upcoming quiz natin, could you give five components that are under data? What are the data that we collect in the laboratory, no, in the hospital? Could you find different softwares, different hardwares, and so on, no? So, improving healthcare decision, no? So, information system is all about improvement, no? You gather data. Gone are the days na nagde-decide tayo out of um, intuition, out of past experiences, but we base our decision making to data, no? If we will contextualize our discussion on health information, syempre ang head ng health sa Pilipinas is DOH, no? And the goal is to achieve universal healthcare, no? Yan, since 2019, universal healthcare has been so important, no? Ito talaga ang pinupush that healthcare would be accessible whether you're rich or you're poor, no? Kaya guys, maraming pera, no? Alam ko maraming kayong naririnig tungkol sa PhilHealth. Pero kailangan maraming pera ang PhilHealth para i-strengthen, no? Para lahat ng tao may access sa healthcare, no? People will not be scared to go to hospital because they're covered with health with PhilHealth, no? It's accessible anywhere from Cagayan, no, Apari to Sulu, no? And we want to have more health professionals, no, na magstay sa Pilipinas. So this features of health information system is applicable to almost different information system, no? Na ginagamit sa ospital, sa community, sa laboratory. You collect data, you analyze it, gumagawa ng dashboard, no? Ano ba ang maraming nagpa-test ngayong araw, mga babae ba, lalaki, matanda, bata, no? We want to ensure quality, no? Na nagko-kolekta tayo, i-report rin natin, no? Hindi delayed, no? It's timely. So, sa SONA ni BBM, he said that he will let the DPWH heads, the regional offices, give him a report of all the flooding projects, no? All the flooding project, yun ba yung tawag doon, no? Lahat ng mga flood prevention project, no? Kung anong nangyari sa mga project nyo, i-report nyo. I want an update. Yun ang sabi ni BBM, no? So, what you will give BBM is convert the data into information for decision makers, no? You won't give them numbers, no? You will give them graphs. You will give them a summarized report, a presentation, no? Hindi na yung kasing crude nung how you collected it. So this one, dati when I was teaching during the pandemic, ang information system na pinapakita ko is COVID-19 tracker. No, now we're moving to post-COVID na. So we have PIDSR, no? Philippine Integrated Disease Surveillance and Response, no? So this is the epidemiology part of DOH. So epidemiology means the disease over a population. No, so minamonitor natin kung may mga sakit ba na kunti-kunting nag-outbreak, no? So we have been vigilant now. So para palakasin pa yung point ko na nito. So health information system supports at all levels, no? From barangay health workers to presidents to mayors to congressmen, no? Susuporta ang health information system. If the doctors would like to analyze his patient, example, yung practice ng doktor ni Dr. Jones, no? He has 10 patients, no? So what are the common ailments? in his patients, no? So yan, in the management level, what's good at for iHomes, no? This is an information system used in public hospitals. Yan, it is used to record the health information of the admin, the patient, no? Napaka-useful na. Sa laboratory, ginagamit na rin yan. Health unit management level. Example is Integrated Clinic Information System, iClinicsys, and Sheets, no? Ginagamit itong mga information systems to bigger health facilities. Okay. Homes is also used, no, for bigger health facilities. And we have system management level, no. If you want to analyze the health of people in region, no, sa region nyo, region 1, region 2, region CAR, no. If you want to know the status of HIV/AIDS in CAR, no, we have this surveillance systems. Sa Pilipinas, based on the first quarter of 2025, sabi sa surveillance ng HIV/AIDS, we have 57 of Filipinos are affected with HIV. No? 57 Filipinos per day. So meaning, every hour, 1 to 2 Filipinos are contracting HIV, no? So, ayun, we monitor it, we prevent it, we strengthen testing, no? So guys, ito ang mga subsystems, no? With under health information system. So, iba-iba silang anyo, no? Notice, they collect the different information. However, they have they have consistent function that they generate information um, to improve the health of people, no? So number one, preventive health information system, no? Bago lumala yung mga disease, hinahanap na, chinecheck na, no? Kung tumataas ba ang cases ng stroke sa Pilipinas, ng TB sa Pilipinas, no? We have iHomes, lumalabas na naman, no? So, ang binibigay ko, guys, yung mga government-based information system, no? Ma'am, ano yung ginagamit sa mga private setting, no? Bahala sila. Sila yung nagpo-purchase ng sarili nilang information system. We have the disease surveillance systems, no? Pwede dito yung PIDSR, ito, EDCS, no? Pero ito yung pinili ko. Adverse event following immunization, no? May ganito, under PIDSR, no? The doctors are monitoring if people are having rashes, fever after being immunized, no? With any vaccines. We also have population or community-based health information. Ito mga cheats, ito mga shine, no? Geographic information system. I'll show you a result of that. So you analyze healthcare based on geography, no? Based on location, no? Saang lugar ang maraming rabies, no? Nakagat ng aso. Saang lugar, no? Maraming malaria. Later, I'll show it to you. We have vital registration system. So, vital statistics, no? Recording the number of birth, deaths, mortality. No, this is powered by PSA, yung Philippine Statistics Authority natin. Kung saan tayo kumukuha ng birth certificate, no? They have a monitoring system for that, no? Ilan ang kasal, ilan ang illegitimate children, no? They count that. So, this is an example of cheats yung pinapapanood ko sa inyo, no? This is an example kung paano nila pinapakita yung data, no? Through graphs, no? Ito. Contraceptive and family planning users, no? More than 480 ang gumagamit ng contraception. Okay? So, in November 14, 2014, no? Pababa ng pababa. Ang children who are fully immunized, ala, pababa ng pababa. Women with antenatal care, women na nagpapa-check up, no? Pababa ng pababa, anyaman, no? So, this is just an example on how to understand what's happening in the community. Death rate, exclusive breastfeeding, how many are just using not using infant formula, no? So this is an example of geographic information system. Dito sa study na to, they use ArcGIS, no? Um, spatial inequality in the accessibility of healthcare service in the Philippines. So, using colors, no, blue, ano ba yan? Dark green, excellent accessibility. Ala, bongga dito, no? There is excellent, ito lang ang nakikita kong dark green dito. Not even, um, not even NCR, no? So, I think this is Baguio. Charot, no? So, could you find ano tong province na to? It has excellent accessibility to outpatient healthcare facilities. And the red colors, no? In Mindanao, the orange colors has poor to no accessibility to healthcare facilities. 'Di ba? So through information system, we understand the needs of our Filipino brothers and sisters, no? Alam ko dito sa red, dito sa may taas, may mga isla sa Batanes na walang nakatira. Okay? In here, Palawan, I think this is Rizal. Rizal, Palawan, no? Diyan mataas rin ang malaria. So, ayun, there's no accessibility to healthcare. So, could you screenshot this, no? Pakisagot, no? Anong information system ang applicable dito sa practice question natin? All right. For Baguio City, no, I wish that we could do a field trip, no. Ito ay sa baba ng convention center. Guys, if you know anyone, no, na could hook us up, no, please tell me if you know anyone from City Hall. So, let's go there, no. So, we have a smart city project. So, si Mayor Magalong, he hired a third party company. They have set up um, CCTVs, no, computers to monitor different different things in our city. So ito, it's a if you would download Baguio City in my pocket, you could alert police, no? You could alert police if there is any if is there any emergency. I think pwede rin fire dito. Meron tayong ito, Geographic Information System reports. So, nung nakita ko to is meron silang mapa kung saan yung mga sinking area sa Baguio City, saan yung mga landslide prone, no? Kung nasaan yung mga emergency, dyan nagpapakita. In the smart city systems, they also monitor air pollution trends, no? Ano pa? Ito oh, meron tayong mga fire alerts, overcrowded alerts, the cameras around the city if it's active, no? So guys, they could take a photo of you around Session Road, no? Huwag kayong magkakalat, huwag kayong magja-jaywalk, no? They could see you, license plates, they could take a photo of you, no? Ganun kaganda yung smart city. So the last time, at sa end of July ata, ko in-screenshot to kung anong air quality ng Baguio City, no? It's moderate. Sabi, dapat may less than 12 microgram per cubic meter yung air pollutants, yung pollutants suspended in our air. So, ayun, medyo pangit ang air quality, no? Around Session Road usually. So, guys, as we go further along, no, there has been challenges, no, of using health information system. Ayoko na siyang isa-isahin, no? But there are financial constraints. Pag sinabi namang financial, alam niyo na yan eh. There are technical, no? How to use it. Yung systems, nakita nyo naman, iba-iba yung pinakita ko, di ba? So, iba-iba ang paggamit nun, different data and standards, regulatory compliance. Since lahat ng mga hospitals, laboratory, they are just now integrating these systems, no? Hindi pa siya required actually sa mga laboratories. It's not required yet. Hindi pa nina-require ng DOH magka-information systems. So, kailangan, no, that it should be required para lahat. Pero kasi nga, may mga maliliit na laboratory, no, that they could not afford purchasing an information system. Cultural and linguistic barriers, no? So, yun, syempre, halos lahat in English, no? Is it applicable to their context and human resource? So, I have an image there, here. Please screenshot, no? Sagutan nyo on your own time, no? Yan, ganyan ang mga tatanong ko sa exam, no? What is depicted in the image and what is the HIS challenge that Rainer is trying to overcome, no? Ano yung nakikita nyo sa picture? So, ano yung ino-overcome nilang difficulty, no? On OHASIS, no? So, OHASIS is the surveillance system in monitoring surveillance for HIV, AIDS, STI, sexually infectious diseases. So, these are solutions to improving HIS architecture, no? Collaborate, partnerships, technicalities, indicator, no? So, ano naman, kung may gusto kong mensahe, no, naulit ko na to, is Philippines is moving forward, no? Marami tayong batas, actually, no? We already have program, no? Trying to improve e-health, no? How we digitalize health, no? So, these are it, no? Please go over it. Yan. Meron tayong strategic plan, no? Improve, you're improving the infrastructure, human resources, education, training, no? We have, government is trying to invest, no? Kaya nga pinapalakas natin yung PhilHealth kasi PhilHealth will fund these information systems, no? Marami na tayong policies, no? Ang kulang na lang compliance, no? Ito na naman yung word na interoperability. Ibig sabihin, the systems are not being duplicated, no? Lahat it is pwedeng gamitin sa mobile, sabihin natin sa tablet, sa phone, ay sa sa computer, no? Magandang structure, hindi nakakalito sa mga tao, no? Wala na yun. Yan. So, the Philippines is doing something, no? So, yan. Thank you for listening. I'll see you again. Bye-bye.